Joe. This is our lantern boathouse, probably one of the coolest projects we have on the go right now. We're still early stages in construction right now, but we're going to show you around a little bit. Right now we just have the steel structure of our dock built, but you can see by the look of the form right here, it's a bit of a different shape. On this project we're working with an architect out of New York called Snowetta, and their team has prepared the design for this project. We're out on the end of the dock here, and this is the end where the boathouse is going to be. The wall of the boathouse is going to be essentially right in front of me here, and the boathouse will be 1.5 stories. We're actually, on this end over here, there's actually another 8 feet of the boathouse that's going to be there, but it's actually cantilevered off the dock structure. And so the reason why you see all the steel behind me today is the whole 2 stories and the roof are all made of steel. So as the construction progresses, we'll be back with another video to kind of show you more of that. So inside the boathouse here, we have 2 boat slips. On this project, we're going to actually be using platform lifts. So the dock will be actually built into the boat slip where the boat comes up. And so when the boats are up, the dock here will be all continuous throughout the slips area. And then there'll be some steps up here to the cantilevered area. And then right where I'm standing right now, there'll be a set of stair steps going up to the upstairs. So the one thing you'll notice about this project is the spacing of our steel stringers here are actually quite smaller, and we're using a product on this called Kebony. Kebony is a environmentally friendly treated wood, and we're using what's called 5/4 by 6, so it's a little bit thinner. And so because the wood is thinner, we need to decrease the spacing. The estimate time of, or I guess the longevity of this wood, I guess is not something that's 100%, but we've been kind of told it's probably going to last for 25 to 30 years. And so as much as this wood is a more expensive wood, because it will last a lot longer, it will decrease the length of time that we'll have to replace it. So that's definitely a bonus. So just on this side of the boathouse, you can obviously see where the steel ends, but as I mentioned earlier, the boathouse is actually going to extend another 8 feet and then go up. So on this side where the cantilever is, we're using a steel frame that goes all the way up to the floor and across and over the roof to actually support this, so we don't need any piles in the water.